Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 1.4, Problem 10. This is Section 1.4, Problem 10. 68,454 minus 19,827. So we'll start in the far right column of digits, and we'll subtract. We start with 4 minus 7. Now the 4 is not large enough to subtract 7 from, so I need to borrow. So I'm going to go one column of digits to the left. On the top of that column I find a 5. I will cross off that 5, reduce it to a 4, and then I can put a 1 in front of the 4 that's in the far right column, changing the 4 into a 14. Now I have 14 minus 7, which I can do. 14 minus 7 is 7. And then if I go over one column of digits to the left, I will have 4 minus 2, which is 2. Then the next column of digits to the left, I have 4 minus 8. Now again, the 4 is not large enough to subtract 8 from, so again, I need to borrow. So I will go over one column of digits to the left, and at the top of that column I find an 8. I will reduce the 8 to a 7, allowing me to put a 1 in front of the 4 that I was working with, changing the 4 to a 14. Now I have 14 minus 8, which I can do. 14 minus 8 is 6. Then I'll go one column of digits to the left. I have 7 minus 9, so I need to borrow again. 7 is not large enough to subtract 9 away from, so what I'm going to do is borrow. Go over one column of digits to the left. At the top of that column I find a 6. I will reduce that 6 down to a 5, which will allow me to make the 7 that I was working with into a 17 by putting a 1 in front of it. Now my subtraction is 17 minus 9. That I can do. 17 minus 9 is 8. And then in the last column to the left, I have 5 minus 1, which is 4. So that makes the answer 48,627. And if you like to use the commas after the 48,000, you can put a comma. 48,627.